Today, we're diving into Print Genie, a print-on-demand platform that promises to simplify the process of creating and selling custom products. If you're new to the print-on-demand world, Print Genie might seem like a promising choice, but is it really the best option for your business? Let's go through the entire experience to help you make an informed decision. When you first visit Print Genie's website, the design is clean, professional, and easy to navigate. You'll find that their platform offers a variety of customizable products ranging from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases. As soon as you sign up, you'll have access to an easy-to-use dashboard where you can start uploading designs and setting up your products. The whole process is intuitive, even for beginners. One of the key features of Print Genie is its product customization tool. Uploading designs to the platform is simple, and you can adjust the placement and size of your artwork with ease. The preview feature is helpful, giving you a real-time look at how your designs will appear on the product. This ensures that your custom creations will look exactly as you envision. Another standout feature is their pricing structure. Print Genie offers competitive rates, which is crucial if you're trying to keep your profit margins high. The platform also provides transparent pricing, so there's no hidden cost when it comes to fulfilling your orders. Print Genie's pricing model is straightforward, which is refreshing compared to some other platforms that have more complicated fee structures. When it comes to order fulfillment, Print Genie doesn't disappoint. Orders are processed and shipped quickly, which is essential for customer satisfaction. Shipping times are reasonable, and Print Genie offers a variety of shipping options depending on your needs. The platform also integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy, which means you can easily automate your order fulfillment. This is a big plus for anyone who wants to save time and focus on growing their business. However, no platform is without its downsides. One issue some users have pointed out is that while the product selection is decent, it isn't as extensive as other print-on-demand platforms. If you're looking for highly niche products or a wide range of customizable items, you might feel a bit limited. But for most entrepreneurs, Print Genie offers enough options to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Customer support is another area where Print Genie excels. Their team is responsive and available through multiple channels, including email and live chat. This makes it easy to get help if you run into any issues with your orders or designs. I personally had great experiences with their support team, which is an important factor when choosing a pod platform. To sum up, Print Genie is a solid choice for anyone looking to start a print-on-demand business. The platform offers ease of use, competitive pricing, fast fulfillment, and great customer service. While its product selection may not be as extensive as some competitors, it's still a great option for most entrepreneurs. If you're looking to create and sell custom products without the hassle of inventory management or upfront costs, Print Genie might be exactly what you need. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on print-on-demand platforms. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Print Genie and what your experience has been.